Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet to buy Bitcoin. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new multi-coin wallet. It's crucial to write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is the only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device, so treat it with utmost care. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to add funds. Inside your Trust Wallet, locate and tap the Buy button. You'll then see a list of cryptocurrencies. Select Bitcoin or BTC. Next, you'll choose a third-party provider like MoonPay or Simplex to facilitate your purchase. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy, perhaps $50 or $100 worth, and proceed to the next step. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details presented by the provider. This includes the amount of Bitcoin you will receive and any processing fees, which are typically a small percentage, perhaps 1 or 2%. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information, such as credit card details. Depending on the provider and your location, you might also need to complete a quick identity verification process to comply with regulations. After completing the payment, your transaction will be processed. This usually takes a few minutes, but can vary based on network congestion. Once confirmed, your newly purchased Bitcoin will appear directly in your Trust Wallet. Always double-check your balance to ensure the correct amount has arrived. For enhanced security, remember to enable additional features like a passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID lock on your Trust Wallet application.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.